understanding, still going, unraveling its meanings in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard quite often, still going. This phrase is simple yet versatile, and understanding its nuances can really enrich your English communication skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, still going, combines two words, still and going. Let's break them down. Still typically means continuing without change, indicating persistence or ongoing status. Going, in this context, refers to an action or process that is in progress. When put together, still going generally means that something is continuing to happen or is in progress without stopping. To truly understand still going, let's look at some practical examples. 1. Inquiring about an event or activity. Is the party still going? This means you're asking if the party is continuing. 2. Describing a long-lasting situation. The construction next door is still going. This implies that the construction work has been ongoing for a while and hasn't stopped. 3. Expressing surprise or endurance. Wow, you're still going. This can indicate surprise that someone is continuing an activity for a long time. These examples show how still going can be adapted to various contexts, each slightly altering its meaning. While using still going, be cautious not to confuse it with similar phrases. For instance, still doing might seem similar but can have a different focus. Still doing is more about the continuation of a specific action, while still going is about the ongoing nature of a process or event. And that wraps up our exploration of still going. Remember, this phrase is all about indicating the ongoing status of something. It's a handy tool in your English language arsenal, especially when talking about events, actions, or situations that are continuing. I hope this video helps you use still going more confidently in your conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.